Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to design a page on Cursor AI step by step. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who wants to build websites faster, this tutorial will help you get started in minutes. First, open your browser and visit the official Cursor AI website. Download the Cursor editor for your operating system and install it just like any other software. Once the installation is complete, open Cursor AI. On the welcome screen, click Sign In. You can continue with your Google account or GitHub account. If you don't already have an account, simply choose one of these options and follow the quick verification process. Within a minute, you'll be logged in and ready to build your first project. After signing in, click New Project or open an existing folder. Cursor AI works like a smart code editor, but the real magic is its built-in AI assistant. Now press the AI chat button or use the shortcut to open the assistant. Instead of writing code manually, simply type a clear prompt like create a modern responsive landing page for an AI startup with a hero section, features, pricing cards, testimonials, and a contact section using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Within seconds, Cursor AI starts generating the complete code for your page. You'll see each section being created automatically. If you want to customize the design, simply ask the AI. For example, change the color theme to dark mode. Add smooth scrolling animations. Make the buttons more modern. Improve the mobile responsiveness. Cursor AI instantly updates the code without you having to search through hundreds of lines manually. Before publishing, preview your page in the browser to make sure everything looks perfect. If you notice anything you'd like to improve, just describe the change in plain English, and Cursor AI will update it for you. This is what makes Cursor AI so powerful. Instead of spending hours coding, you can focus on your ideas while AI handles most of the technical work. And that's it. You now know how to log into Cursor AI and design a professional web page from scratch using simple prompts. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to build next with Cursor.